Today we're going to take a look at circle graphs, and the first thing we're going to do is review all the important parts of a circle graph. The very first thing that we always look for is the title of a circle graph, because then we know exactly what the circle graph is representing to us. Now, back in elementary school, you probably call them pie charts, and it's exactly the same thing. So don't worry about calling them circle graphs or pie charts. It's exactly the same. This particular circle graph is about after-school activities. And if you can see, we have 6 different after-school activities that students take part in. All of the circle is broken into the different pieces. And as I just said, there are 6 of them. Now, it might be a bit hard to see all those numbers, but those pieces or slices of the pie are called sectors. So a circle graph always has sectors. And if you notice, the sectors will have a label. And the label tells us what that piece represents. The sector also has a percentage. And if you notice, all of the sectors will add up to equal 100%. Another piece of information that you are responsible for is the fact that all of the sectors join together to make a circle. And when you're going to be drawing this in the next section, you will have to know how many degrees each of the sectors are, because you're going to have to draw them. And if you know, like we said, it makes a full turn, a complete circle, and that is 360 degrees, a full turn is. So all of the sectors added together should equal 360 degrees. The other thing that you need to know as well is that sometimes a circle graph will have a legend. And that's if you don't have enough room to label every sector. Over on the side you'll have a legend, and sometimes it's called a key. And it'll have probably a little square with a color in it, and it'll tell you what the red piece represents. So in this circle graph, the red is watching TV. So they'll label every single one. The blue one is playing sports. So you'll have a little key over on the side, and that'll help you, especially if your circle graph is small and you can't fit all of the words into your circle graph. Now, into this case, they couldn't fit it in the sector, so what they did is just drew a little line to show what it is. Notice that the title of each sector is nice and straight, and the percent is written underneath. That's really important that you know where the percent is.